This is AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today that I'm here to give out a video of Chevrolet Cruze S1.4 engine, how to set a timing of Chevrolet engine 1.4. So this is it. Is the police side, and this is how the come sets. Can you see that? So this is 1.4 Chevrolet Cruze. You turn your pulley, this pulley, you turn the pulley to TDC, that top dead center. You turn it, the piston will come top. After that, then you set your spanner as a 21 or 22 spanner. 21 can hold it, so it's 21 spanner to hold it to 10. And that's it. Use this one to split them. So you can see here they are the same. You can see they are the same. So use this one to guide it and see very straight. That's it. After that, you check. See the loose. Is the loose over here. This one and this one. And this one face to face as a loose. And after that, you come here. This is the loose. So this is how sets Chevrolet 1.4 engine as a turbo charger engine, and how to set it. So if you can't get this, you can use file to place this one and set your timing free. There you go. So this is it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's AK Garage. Don't waste time. More video is for you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then we go.